Hello, in this lesson I want you to represent data using dot plots. I want you to determine whether discrete or continuous graphical representations is appropriate and then create a bar graph or a histogram. Some vocabulary word you're going to come across is dot plot, frequency table, bar graph, cumulative frequency, and histogram. If we take a look at the first box here, gave you step-by-step instructions of how to construct a dot plot. Put the data in order from least to greatest. I don't know if you really need to do that all the time, but it's not a bad way. It's not a bad way to start. Draw a number line and start at the least data point and end at the greatest data point, and then choose your scale. Plot the numbers on the number line. Stack the points where there is more than one data point with the same number, and then include a label for the number line and title your dot plot. So if we take a look here at the first example, it says represent the data as a dot plot. And we've got these numbers. Look at your numbers. When I see this, I see the lowest number is 20. And my highest number is 30. And all the other numbers are in between there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a number line. I'm going to put 20 on one end. I think I'm going to count by ones because I'm only doing 10. And then, for each number, we're going to put a dot that corresponds with that on the number line just above it. So I'm going to put a dot on 20 for the first data point. Then I have one at 22. I have one at 30. And then 23, I like to mark them off as I do them, so I don't double up. 20, so I'm going to stack that one, because there's two at 20. Stack 22. Put another one on 20, another one on 22, and the second one on 23, my first one on 25, 22 gets another one, 26 gets its first one, 20 gets its fourth one, 22 gets another one, and finally 25. You can do that all day long with these. You can do this on Desmos. Let me show you how to do this on Desmos. So to save some time, what I've done on Desmos is I've gone in, I've already created a table for you. So you click on your table and then type in your data points under X1. If you want to pause the video at this point, go ahead and type your data in from your study guide or from your seminar sheet and type those in. Now, at this point, I'm going to click on my keyboard and I'm going to click on Functions. And under the third column, there's Distributions. And then notice in the second column in the first row, there's Dot Plot. It's going to say Data Set and Bin Width. Well, I'm just going to type in X1 as my data set. I'm going to leave my bin width alone, so it says it defaults to 1. Now, the only issue is because we're using Desmos, it defaults to 0. So you might have to pull it over like I did so you can see the data points, and there's your dot plot.